Hello students, now we will do the permutations. Permutations is a mathematical name, but the simple way we can say the arrangements. Okay, so number of permutations means number of arrangements of the objects, or the number will be here. So this is a very important portion. Look here, the different arrangements which can be made out of a given number of things by taking some or all at a time are called permutations. Means we take some objects or we take all the objects at a time, and this is we have to arrange them. Arrangements, number of arrangements, different arrangements is called the permutation. Now the number of permutation of n objects taken are at a time, and the objects do not repeat is equal to NPR. Look here, if we take n objects and from that if we take r object at a time and we arrange that, the formula we will have NPR, and NPR this we will write equal to factorial n upon factorial n minus r, and this will, look here, when we open n up to before the n minus r, here is n minus r, and before the n minus r will be n minus r plus 1 upon this factorial n minus r will cancel, and remaining will, this means we will open this n minus 1, n minus 2, n up to n minus r plus 1. So we will do some question that you understand. So look here, one we will do the practical. Look here we have three object: pen, cutter and whitener. Okay, and we have to arrange them. So first order is this, pen is first, then second order is the cutter, and then is whitener. If we change this place of cutter and whitener, we have this second, this is a second. Now we will take the whitener is first, and then pen, then cutter. This is the third arrangements, and the fourth arrangements is this. Okay, then we will take here, this is a fifth arrangements, and this is the sixth arrangements. So total we have six arrangements if we have the three objects and taken all the objects. Okay, and from these if we take two objects and we have to make arrangements. Look here, this is one arrangements, then the second arrangements is this. Okay, then we take the cutter, okay, and the whitener. The first arrangement is this, then second arrangement is this. Okay, then we will remove the whitener and we take the pen. Then for fifth arrangement is this, and then the sixth arrangement is this. So these are the arrangements. We take all the objects and all we take the some objects from these, and we can find the arrangements. So look here, we will do by the some question. All permutations arrangements made with the letter x, y, z by taking two at a time. Look here, from these three we take two at a time and we do the arrangements. That will be, first we take x, then second we take y. Okay, and now place of y we take z, so we get x, y and x, z. Then first we take y and then we take x, or this x replaced by z, we get y, z, and then we take z first, then x, and then x replaced by y, means we get here six arrangements. All of you understand this? And look here formula, by formula if we do this formula, already I given you that from the n objects if we take r object at a time and the objects do not repeat, that time NPR formula, that is factorial n upon factorial n minus r, we use this formula here. So n objects means here three objects we have, three letters we have, and from that three letter we have to take here two letters at a time. So look here, n equal to 3, r equal to 2, and NPR formula, n is 3 and r is 2, so 3p2 we get. 3p2 we open by this formula, factorial 3 upon factorial 3 minus 2, and factorial 3 minus 2 is 1, so we get here factorial 3 means 6. We can check here 1 2 3 4 5 6 we have those arrangements. All of you understand this? Now here the number of permutations is 6. Now one more example we take, the number of three letter word which can be formed by the letter of the word best. We have the best word, and we use this letter. How many letter? 1, 2, 3, 4 letters are, and all are different letters. Okay, where repetition is not allowed, we will not repeat any letter. So we have V, B, E, S, T, 4 letter. So N equal to 4, and we have to take 3 letter word we have to prepare. Okay, and 3 letter means R will be equal to 3, and look at these 3 places we can make: first place, second place, and third place. So look here, if we do by the previous first exercise we done here, how many letter? 4. So at the first place we have the 4 options, 4 way. Then if we use any one, then remaining are 3 way to fill the second place, and if we take the second also, then 2 are remaining to fill the third place. So 2 way for the third place we have. If we multiply 4 into 3 into 2, we get here 24. And the formula, how we can use this formula, look at it for the same question. So number of 3-letter words will be NPR. Here N is 4 and R equal to 3. So we have here 4P3, and 4P3 is factorial 4 upon factorial. Factorial 4 minus 3 we write, and 4 minus 3 is factorial 1, and factorial 4 upon factorial 1 is we know the value is 24. So this type we can find out the number of permutations. The number of permutation of n different objects taken are at a time where repetition is allowed. If we repetition is allowed, then we have the number of permutations will be n power r. Look at the same question we take again. The number of 3-letter words which can be formed by the letter of the word best, where repetition is allowed, means this word best we have letter. So first place we can fill by 4 way. Second place again we can use that, so we can fill by 4 way, and third place also we can fill by 4 way. So total we have 4 into 4 into 4 is 64. So this by formula we do n power r, means 4 we have the total letter we have, and we have 3 places, so 4 power 3, 4 into 4 into 4 we have 16. So we have two method, one is a direct method and second is by the formula. The number of all permutations of n different things taken all at a time. Okay, we take all the things at a time, then means from n we take n on. So npn will be, and that is equal to factorial n upon factorial n minus n. Place of r also we have here n. N minus n is factorial 0, and factorial 0 we will take always 1. So we have this factorial n. So npn we can use direct factorial n. Okay, so look here, evaluate this question. We do some evaluate 12p3 equal to factorial 12 upon factorial 12 minus 3, factorial 12 upon factorial 9. Okay, factorial 12 you can open up to factorial 9. So we can write here 12 into 11 into 10. We write in decreasing order, and then we get factorial 9. Factorial 9 we can cancel. We get here 12 into 11 into 10, and that will be 1320. Okay, look here, one method is that 12p3 you can write direct also. 12 you write in decreasing order up to 3 times. 12 we write in decreasing order up to 3 times. Okay, 3 times means 12 into 11 into 10. This 1 2 3 place you have in decreasing order, multiply you get. So without this also you can do, direct also you can do here. Now 8p8 we know already, npn is factorial n. So 8p8 will be equal to factorial 8. So factorial 8, if you know the value direct, you can write 40320. Otherwise you calculate and you can write here. Now we will do one question here. Look here, find n if n minus 1 p3 ratio n p4 equal to 1 ratio 9. Look here, this ratio means you can write in a fraction. So n minus 1 p3 upon n p4 equal to 1 ratio 9. So 1 upon 9 you can write. Now cross multiply you can do, you will get this line. Now here n minus 1 p3 you open by npr formula. So npr we know already, npr equal to factorial n upon factorial n minus r. Place of n we have here n minus 1, so we can write n minus 1 factorial, and here minus you have to do, n minus r means minus, so n minus 1 and minus 3 you do. This is np4, this is equal to np4. np4 is what is? np4 is factorial n upon factorial n minus 4. Look here, in denominator both side we get n minus 4, so we can cancel, and numerator we have 9 factorial n minus 1 equal to factorial n. This factorial n we can open up to this n minus 1. So we can write here n factorial n minus 1, factorial n minus 1 cancel, so get n equal to 9. So this is very simple method I have done.